Today in this video, I am gonna explain how to hard reset Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. Press and hold the power button for a few moments until your phone power off. Press and hold both the volume up and power keys simultaneously for a couple of seconds. When you see the Redmi logo on the screen, release the power button but continue holding the volume up key. Release the volume up button when the recovery mode menu appears on the screen. Use the volume keys to scroll down and select the wipe data option from the recovery mode menu. Once wipe data is selected, use the power button to confirm and proceed. From the subsequent options, select wipe all data and confirm the action. After the data wipe is complete, go back to the main menu and select the reboot option. Within the reboot menu, choose Reboot to System to initiate the system reboot process. Be aware that all your data will be removed during this operation. Once the reset process is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.